In this short demonstration, we'll show how Teamcenter Express version 5 takes advantage of the latest developments in Teamcenter 8 to improve the productivity of SMBs in completing design through manufacturing projects on time and on budget. The user interface has been extensively updated to speed the learning curve and support faster and more consistent completion of everyday tasks. Here, we search for a specific item. Note how the user interface adapts to support this task. The search results are stored in a tab so they can be accessed at any time, and the key attributes and a preview graphic of the item are displayed in the Summary tab. In version 5, more tasks can be executed directly from this Summary tab. We can also easily reconfigure the user interface to meet specific needs. Here, we've turned off the Navigator panel to leave more space for the Explorer and Data panels, and now have activated the Viewer tab to display a lightweight representation of the 3D CAD model. We've now selected an item that represents an assembly model. You can see the item revisions and datasets that are associated with this item in the Explorer panel. We open the item revision using the new Structure Manager module. In version 5, this module has been expanded to manage not just product structures, but any type of structure. We can analyze, view, and manipulate the product structure using this interface. We now open the same assembly in another new module delivered with version 5, the Lifecycle Viewer. This interface packages together viewing, graphical analysis, and markup capabilities in a single interface. In this example, we use the cross-section command to cut the 3D model so we can inspect the internal structure of the assembly. Note that we can still rotate the 3D model with the cross-section in place. And now we take a quick look at the pre-configured workflow capability that is included with Teamcenter Express. In version 5, the user interface has been updated with more use of colors to better communicate workflow status and easier access to workflow-related tasks. For example, when performing a sign-off, as shown here. Version 5 also delivers expanded integration with Microsoft Office, enabling more users to contribute to the single source of data provided by Teamcenter Express. Here, we're using Microsoft Word. We have a navigation panel on the left where we can browse the Teamcenter Express database, and a toolbar at the top with an extensive set of commands enabling us, for example, to create new items and create revisions of documents. In this example, we create a new search on the Teamcenter Express database so we can retrieve a template Word document that we've previously stored in the database. A folder is retrieved that includes several Microsoft Office template documents. We navigate through the folder and select the single part report template. We then open this as a read-only document in Microsoft Word, and we're ready to create our new document based on this template. Version 5 also delivers new cost and weight roll-up reports based on product structures. Here, we're calculating both the cost and weight of this assembly. A report is created and is automatically stored in the database. Multiple reports can be generated to monitor the cost of a product as it moves throughout its life cycle. Reports can also be output to Microsoft Excel to facilitate wider communication and further analysis. The project scheduling option is also enhanced in version 5 with a new project cost roll-up capability. Labor rate categories are created and assigned to the pre-configured Teamcenter Express user groups and roles as shown here, and fixed project costs can also be managed. We now select a project and calculate the project costs. This dialog shows both the total project cost and the cost breakdown for each phase of the project. And as we drill down further, the cost incurred for each user. This can really help SMBs analyze and get control of their project completion costs. Version 5 also adds the capability to link projects together and create master and sub-project type relationships. Here we select multiple projects to display in a program view window. By viewing multiple projects at one time, we can get a better view of how resources are being allocated and can identify potential bottlenecks before they occur. We trust this short demonstration has shown how SMBs can improve their productivity and get better control of product and project costs by using Teamcenter Express version 5.